Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We have an OC&T's grain hopper train. Let's check it out, roll it, and it's kind of a short one too. I'm only gonna do like a couple train videos, and then we're done for today for the regular camcorders, because I'm gonna try and save some for Thursday, or for at least for Wednesday here on the Train Expert channel. Oh, this grain hopper train I knew is kind of a short one, just like I had with the freight. Like I said, the only trains we're getting today. Good thing I skipped the East Titusville today, because otherwise I wouldn't have had room. So good thing I stayed live much longer. Huh? But we don't know when we're getting the trains with Mackenzie in a short bit coming up in the next few days on this. Well, they're going to be an Alco 75, or we're going back to CN. Huh? That's why I just want to be a little clear on that. Huh? Huh? I know it's going to be too late for the Oil City run. I knew that, because it's going 1 o'clock. Or actually, it's going between 1 and 1:30 now. Trying to make sure. I had to get the clock. I had to try to get the time right here, so. For this week, for traveling the train. That's not a con. Is what Jeremy on the live? No, he wasn't on the last 2 streams, just the first 2 streams of the day at least. But other than that, that's been it. We were talking about you earlier. That Jolene, we were talking about you earlier. On my second live stream. Not my first one, but my second. Second live stream. Second live stream. Talking about you earlier. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next to the last train. That'll be Light Power. Talk to you later.